If you're a HubSpot and Slack user, pay attention. This is a really cool update that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. What you can do now is you can actually post notes from inside of Slack into HubSpot. Very cool. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so here I am inside of Slack to just show you an example. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the message in the channel that you want to post as a note. You'll come over to the three dots, say more actions. And then if you don't have this popping up, you'll just go to more message shortcuts and type it in. But here I'm going to hit create a note. It is going to give you the option to attach this to contacts, deals, companies, and tickets. You can do all of these things. You can do one of these things, whatever's easiest for you. So I'm going to go ahead and select myself on this test record, and I'll show you what it looks like. And I just hit to create, and now here is that message that I was talking about. So go try this out if you haven't already. I am super excited about this.